not the only thing glittering at the moment. Gold is glittering like never before. Prices have hit a historic high, crossing 1.22 lakh per 10 grams. The record surge comes just a week before Dhanteras and Diwali, when gold buying traditionally sort of spikes across the country. Driven by global uncertainty, a weakening dollar, and hopes of US interest rate cuts, investors are now flocking to gold as a safe haven. But with prices at an all-time high like this one, the big question now is, should you buy? Should you hold? Should you really wait it out? We break it down on what's behind the rally and what it means for you, especially if you're planning to buy gold in this festive season. Sakshi Batra here with all the latest.
That's right, Sonal. Gold prices have shattered all sorts of records in the domestic physical market. We see now gold prices trending at 1,25,000 rupees per 10 grams. Now, this is after a 50% surge that we have seen in gold all this year round. In fact, this year has been one of the unprecedented ones when we've seen gold prices rallying very, very swiftly in a very short period of time as well. This is also the second consecutive year when we have seen gold prices continuously outperforming all the other asset classes as well. Now, what we are also given to understand is the key reasons behind this dizzying rally have been manifold. At this point in time, if you look at the economic uncertainty that was first driven by the tariff hikes by the US, and now it's also being driven by the US government shutdown, which has entered its second day, adding on to the economic uncertainty and the delays in the decisions as well. Now, apart from this, there's also the geopolitical unrest, now the unrest in France as well, the war that continues between Ukraine and Russia, that has led to a safe haven appeal and further is leading people to buy that as well. Now, there is also an expectation that the Federal Reserve, the biggest central bank in the world in the US, will be reducing its interest rates, thereby reducing the appeal for the financial assets, but thereby increasing the appeal for the yellow metal at large as well. Look at what is happening across the world. Global central banks have been only increasing their purchases in gold, as that has also added on to this sharp rally in gold prices as well. Now, remember.
All right. Thanks so much, Sakshi, for bringing us the very latest on that story.